Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Poor Consult YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Litecoin. However, we are not going to touch the basics of Litecoin. We are not going to discuss what this coin is, what it does. I'll take as granted that you already are familiar with it. If you are not, then make sure to watch some of our other videos. But here in this particular video, we'll talk about Litecoin halving event. As you know, some cryptocurrencies, and I mean proof of work cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, once every 4 years, they are having their block rewards are being cut in half. Okay, so the miners, whenever they mine a new block and include your transaction in the block, they are getting paid by the protocol, and the amount that they are getting paid is being cut in half each time the blockchain, the halving event occurs in the blockchain. And the Litecoin halving, we are around 7-8 hours left till this event happens with Litecoin, and that's why we are going to talk about it a little bit and see what type of impact it might have on the Litecoin's price, because many people, investors are probably very excited about it. Some think that the whales might dump on us, so let's take a look at it a little bit more in details and see what's going on. So as I said, we have a little bit less than 9 or 8 hours left till the Litecoin halving occurs, and it seems that the digital asset might be caught in a classic buy the rumor sell the news situation. This commonly observed market phenomenon occurs when the anticipation of an event leads to a price surge followed by a sharp decline when the event actually takes place. So if we take a look at the Litecoin's graph, we go to the 90 days range, we'll see that in mid of June, closer to the end of June, the Litecoin's price has skyrocketed. It was trading at around $87 when it went to its local high to around $114. And many people do believe that this might be a buy the rumor event when the Litecoin halving was near, not that far. We're around like 2 months or less than 2 months far at that day, at that point of time. And since then, you can see that the price has been in the sharp decline. It has decreased a lot, this downtrend, where the people, I guess the whales, have been slowly dumping their bags, because as the day gets closer and closer, more and more small investors, the newbies, get excited about the event, thinking that the price might go to the moon, so they are purchasing, and hence the whales are slowly exiting. So this is very important to see, and now we are trading at around $92 here. So, but again, we need to pay attention that the social dominance of Litecoin has understandably seen a spike, with many stakeholders showing signs of panic as the countdown to halving continues. For many, enduring the current Litecoin volatility is proving to be a challenging endeavor. From a price perspective, Litecoin has already lost around 5% of its value, and there is potential for a further decline. Here, this 5% potential we have lost in about several days here. A pivotal moment occurred when Litecoin fell below its 50-day exponential moving average. You can see it here when it fell down its exponential moving average, and this fall could potentially pave the way toward the 200-day EMA, which, if reached, could precipitate a slide toward the lower border of the descending price channel at around $66. We'll see this price channel, which is a descending price channel. So if it fails to hold in here, then we might see the price go down all the way to $66-68 range. I don't mean that we can see it happen in a matter of days, but in a matter of weeks or even months. It's totally possible, so pay attention to it. But however, such a scenario would represent a considerable setback for Litecoin, especially in the context of the recent optimism surrounding the upcoming halving event, which has several hours left. It's important to remember, however, that in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, dramatic price swings are not uncommon, and short-term losses don't necessarily signify long-term trends. Investors and market watchers are advised to keep a close eye on developments over the coming hours. And if I were you, and I am actually paying a very close attention to how it will behave in the coming hours, because, and if we take a look at the chart live, we'll see that right now on the daily candles range, we haven't still reached the first support level at $85. And as the Litecoin halving unfolds, the market will reveal whether it is truly a buy the rumors the news event, or if Litecoin can buck the trend and hold on to the recent gains. Patience, as always, in the crypto market is phenomenal and is paramount and very important to see. So again, take a look at here, pay close attention to how it unfolds. I do believe, not a financial advice, but I do believe that in the coming hours or even the coming several days, we will touch the support level at around $85, and from there on, let's see if we go back up, okay, if we reverse from here, then the halving event might actually had a positive sign in the short run. In the long run, it definitely is perfect because it cuts the supply of the Litecoin, so it's very positive. However, in the short run, if we don't hold the line in here, the support, then we might just crash into the second support line, the major support, which is, as you can see from the graph, is around $70 range. So again, guys, don't FOMO in, okay? Don't just blindly believe the influencers on the YouTube, on Twitter, alright? So just always remember that the whales always try to buy before you, and as you can see in here, this spike, of course, it coincided with the XRP case that they won their case against the securities committee. However, again, here you see the huge price spike, and I do believe that whales have fulfilled their bags in here, and now when many fishes and newbies are FOMOing in, this might be an excellent chance for them to simply dump their bags on you. So pay attention to it, and let's see how it unfolds in the coming days. Thanks for watching, and see you all in another video.